What's going on, everyone? This is Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you how to adjust your steering wheel on the Evolution D5. So here we go. Alright guys, so here we have an Evolution D5, and this steering wheel is a little bit off center. Even when the cart is going straight, it's tilted to the left a little bit. So we are going to straighten this steering wheel up. Basically all you got to do is just grab up here on the top, and these just pull right off. Then that opens up right there. You're gonna need a drill with a 17mm socket on it, right there for you. And this is going to let's pull that nut off. And hold on, I'll show you how to adjust it. Alright guys, so we got the nut off the steering wheel. All you're gonna do is just pull it off like that, and then you can adjust it. Get it lined up right there, and then we are going to put this nut back on. Tighten it down real good, and then these just pop right back in. You may hear the horn. All right. And that's it. We got your steering wheel straightened up and adjusted. Thanks for watching.